I've never done anything like this. So
yeah, no, this is the first time ever doing this. It was fun. It's definitely.
I mean, you don't drive, right?
Well, you didn't see me almost hit the wall, so.
You got a little sideways.
It got a little sideways.
Or coming out of corner.
But I saved it, barely. Well, it's the beginning of the week. Probably everybody's back home, back in their houses, back to work, all the boring parts of life. And I guess that goes for the Jolly Rogers team as well. We're all back scattered over the Northwest. I'm supposed to be working tonight, flying out to Maui, but I caught a crud with all the travels. Probably, I think I'm worn out. I just have been going, and finally caught up to me. So I'm called in sick for a trip, and lo and behold, I'm like, hey, I'm going to use this time and make a video. So I was going through all of the clips that we had from this weekend down at the Freedom Factory. There was just too much stuff to not put out there. So this video is just going to be random. There's going to be kind of no flow to it, but just I just thought there were too good of outtakes, if you will, that to not go out there. So hope you enjoy them. I don't think there's a lot of narrating I need to do, so I'm just going to let her rip and hope you enjoy it, and let me know what you think at the end of it. Look at Daddy-O. He's so excited. He gets right in an airplane. First time ever. Yeah, I think we found the right spot. Okay, there's literally like every flipping cool thing in this shop, all in one spot. This is like, oh God, you got corn cob, you got the Dale truck, you got, of course, mullet. Oh my God, mullet. So cool being here. Here's the dyno. Yeah. What a flippin' cool car. Yeah. A little bit of stuff here. We're trying to get a ride in the truck, and we're gonna try to win the truck, but we'll see about that. And lo and behold, we got Leroy up on the left. How cool is that? Kelly, your car. Beautiful. Ruby. Your car. Not Ruby. Yeah. Just general badassery. What do you think, dude? It's like a giant toy shed. God.
Yeah, you put in a sprint boat track out here, and then you roll over, and the thing just eats you like a gator.
Yeah. People have been commenting on that already.
Yeah,
like, how do we keep the gators out?
Mesh suit, like shark suit.
Yeah.
You wear chainmail.
Yes. I'd do it still.
You'd still get in a sprint boat with gators.
And a shark suit.
And a shark suit. Garrett pretty much just said, hey, go check out the Freedom Factory. He's got stuff to do, delivering nitrous bottles, whatever. So we're just checking her out. Everybody wants to know what's in the back 40. That is the potential. He was talking about a little bit about putting a track in, but you know, like, how do you get 24, 30 boats from Washington State down here? It's going to be expensive to do, so who knows, but it definitely is talked about, and so we'll see. Yep, the Chastain spikes are a real thing.
Rules are, for anyone who's riding or whatever, you guys can't haul ass over this hill. She's riding. Already now. Alright, so you'll always be in two while you're out here.
Okay.
Otherwise it'll just shift a bunch. They actually get going pretty good around this. You gotta go up high.
Yeah, we ain't gonna be going this fast, or are we?
The track's dirty right now too.
I sat on the wrong side.
There it is. It's pretty nice on this
Up
side.
high and then you come in down low.
I don't
like right here, and then start driving down towards the center.
Right.
Like really try and have a late apex.
Okay.
And I mean, you can basically take any line on this track and it'll be about the same speed. The track's dirty right now, which kind of sucks. But like I try to stay up and out here as long as I can, and then I come down. Kind of just reduce that turn radius you gotta make. And then just get back on the throttle.
Oh, I felt that apex. That was a good apex.
So like right out here,
Feel it.
you get on the brakes, and then dive her down here. All right.
How'd you
So
do
it's
against
just
that window over
two
there?
people max.
Don't sit on the right hand side if there's 3 people in the back.
Great news, brother. Are you ready? For real?
Hell yeah.
That's good. All right, have fun. Oh, there he is. Let's go get him.
Look at that dirt you're cracking. Might take us a second to get him.
That's close to the wall, dude. Dude, he's doing pretty good. Oh, shit balls.
We're gonna jump back on even with him.
Okay. Oh, shit. Dude, you're just cool as a cucumber over there, too. Dude, you're just so comfortable to shit on. Oh, my shit. Dude, this is nothing for you, is it? Got some understeer. Oh shit. Oh my shit. Okay, that's fun. I'm like belly laughing the whole time.
So fun, dude.
Oh.
I can go all day.
This is your life, man. Like, oh god.
I'm so glad you guys are here.
Okay, I don't know how I get my own freedom factory, but that. Have fun, buddy. You weren't in the ride along on the line.
No.
So you just stay high. Stay high as long as you can, and then dive down.
Dive into
yeah, yeah. You don't want to. Don't. You're giving it up if you go up there. You're missing the apex totally. So don't. You start your turn in way late, and then like you said, if you ever have to correct, always correct to the left, or not, you're essentially commit to spinning out instead of trying to correct and going into the wall, because it'll grab quick like it did on me, and then it got all wonky. Don't do what I did.
Yeah.
Have fun. How you doing, Kelly?
I had my blinker on.
That's fun.
Yeah, it was.
I do my blinker the whole time.
Yeah.
Every time we get close, it turn, and I didn't want to stick my hand in there.
He wants me to.
Oh, that's too much. We need to buy a racetrack.
I know. That's what I'm saying. So, Spence, what's the specs on this thing? What year is it? What's it got in it?
Bro, all right, so we got a 97 7-tree power stroke.
Yeah, that's the good one.
Oh yeah, it's got a nice Garrett turbo, oversized injectors, just a exhaust. But other than that, I like to keep it all original, just because it's got a lot of class.
It's a beautiful truck. Yeah.
Yeah.
The lines on these older ones are so.
They're just good.
Yeah.
And if you notice this, for all you Jolly Roger fans, we got Washington plates on this bag.
Is there?
Still.
Shut up.
2.5 years expired, but they are on the truck. Damn right. I
Dude,
bought this.
you might be my soul brother or something, because all my shit's expired.
Frick yeah,
Oh
dude.
my God.
I even made a fake DMV appointment and screenshot it to send it to you. That way if you get pulled over, you'd be like, we have the appointment.
All right, there's just too much fun stuff down here, man. Yeah, Spicy Spence is loaning TJ the truck for the rest of the weekend. So flipping cool. So everybody's like just treating us like better than we should be treated. But anyway.
I'm not going to chicken out on us, right? And I said, no, we'll be okay. So we got out here on the highway, and he said, well, where do you go when you're going to test one out? And I said, I'll show you. So we had 4 of them in the car with him. So we went across the hill down here. There was a place you start out in the flats, goes up this hill and down, and there's a big bump, or not a big bump, a bump at the bottom that signals in. It's a heavy quarter, something like that, maybe a little more. And so we started off, and they're like, and I thought, okay. And he told me before I left, he said, don't let up. And I said, no problem. So when we got down to the bottom, they're yelling and screaming. So we got back to here, and I said, what do you think? And he said, I really thought she was going to let up. And I said, what'd you say when we left? Yeah, no, don't let up. Okay. So he said, you want to drive us on the 6-week thing? I said, let's go.
Noel. Those are Noels. What happened, Noel?
Nothing.
So Noel had a thing last night.
This morning.
This morning. So we got her some crayons and some extracurricular activities.
Try not to eat them, babe.
Oh, head wound Harriet.
Thank you. Get that shit away from me. So great.
Guy Rogers goes to the beach. Beach day. Beach day.
I think he told me earlier they put the spicy tune up in Ruby. Here they are, 100 years old.
Have fun?
Yeah.
We're in Tampa, Florida. Driven all the way down from Washington. What are the odds? She does. How was the judging?
It was very fun.
Was it fun?
It was a lot of fun. It was stressful though.
What was the the numbers? Was it 1 to what?
There was 3 categories. It was 1 to 10 in 3 different categories. The smoke, the overall performance, and the driving skill.
Yeah.
So you have to do like 30 points for everybody. So then it kind of like, yeah. And then they had some technical issues. So then they're like, you guys need to go faster because we're not getting your scores in time before the next one.
But it was fun.
Yeah, it was so much fun.
Thanks for doing it.
It's been a good time.
I think we picked the right person.
Yeah, you got to drink and have fun.
Perfect. It was a lot of fun.
Was it?
Yeah.
Good morning.
How you doing?
So early.
Oh, he's off the line. Get back. No. Oh, he overshot.
Beautiful.